just spent 120 years in suspended animation.
You might have seen cryonics in many sci-fi movies. It is the preservation of organic tissue by keeping it under freezing temperatures, typically below -196 degrees Celsius in a controlled environment. This is achieved by storing the body in an airtight container filled with liquid nitrogen. The extremely low temperatures causes the extracellular water to freeze, and the water inside the cells is absorbed through osmosis, causing the cells to get dehydrated, which in turn makes the tissue less susceptible to decomposition. Sadly, current technology doesn't allow preserved bodies to be revived. Therefore, the idea is based on the hope that future technology will be able to revive preserved organic tissues. Since prehistoric times, one of the most popular ways of preserving meat was freezing it. Ancient humans used ice and snow to freeze their meat, preventing it from decomposing and thus extending its shelf life. Modern technology brought freezers and refrigerators to use the same process and store perishable foods. One problem scientists frequently faced was the preservation of transferable organs, as the medical technology of that time was inefficient in tissue preservation. Cryopreservation was introduced to the world in 1967 with the preservation of Dr. James Bedford's body. The science of cryonics has been a controversial topic ever since it was introduced. First reason is obviously morality. The second reason, religion, which has been clashing with the scientific community for the longest time, and cryonics doesn't make the situation any better. Religious leaders have been very vocal in their disapproval of this process because this defies their most crucial belief of the transition of the human body into the presumed afterlife. Another issue is the fact that the revival of a preserved organic tissue is purely dependent on the future advancements of medical technology and especially nanotechnology. One limitation of cryonics in the current times is that the scientists are unable to figure out whether the tissue under preservation has experienced any substantial or irreversible damage. Needless to say, cost is a major issue in this process. The average cryopreservation of the whole body costs around $200,000 in the 4 existing facilities around the world. One of the facilities is located in Russia and the other 3 are in the US. However, these facilities are not able to meet the demand for the complete procedure. It is estimated that 250 human bodies are already under cryopreservation and another 1,500 people have expressed their interest to be preserved after being declared dead. So, what are your thoughts on this? Would you like to have your body preserved? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the World of Science. Until next time, stay scientific.